Let's talk about making a splash, literally. When the world's largest ships are launched, they hit the water with such force that the resulting wave can be massive. We're moving a steel giant, a floating city from land to sea, a moment that's both spectacular and risky. Years of planning and building come down to this: sliding a perfectly balanced behemoth down a ramp into the water. The launch is the ship's first taste of freedom, where all the calculations meet the reality of gravity and water. It's a colossal ballet of physics and timing. Get it wrong, and the consequences are catastrophic. The ship must slide at just the right speed. Too slow, it gets stuck. Too fast, it could break apart. The entire shipyard holds its breath as the vessel performs a controlled fall, a moment of truth for everyone involved. During those few seconds, the ship is at its most vulnerable, twisting and flexing as it transitions from land to sea. It's a heart-stopping celebration of human ingenuity, proof that we can move mountains of steel with clever thinking and courage. It's big, it's loud, and it's brilliant. That's what makes a ship launch one of engineering's greatest spectacles. So, how do you get a multi-thousand-ton ship into the water? There are three main ways. The most dramatic is the sideways launch. The ship is built parallel to the water, then knocked off its supports to crash in sideways, creating a tidal wave. It's chaotic, but perfect for shipyards on narrow rivers. Then there's the classic end-on launch. The ship slides stern first down a ramp, champagne bottle smash for luck, entering the water in a stately glide. This method is more controlled, with the stern's propellers and rudder helping stabilize the descent. For the true giants, aircraft carriers, supertankers, engineers use the float-out. The ship is built in a dry dock, then water is let in slowly until it floats, and it's gently towed out. The float-out is less dramatic but safest for the biggest ships. Each method is a marvel. Sideways launches are chaos tamed by math, end-on launches are a dance with gravity, and float-outs are feats of construction. No matter the method, the goal is the same. Get a masterpiece from land to water, ready for its new life. That's the art and the thrill of launching a ship. Every launch is a unique engineering challenge. Why not use the float-out for every ship? It's not that simple. Building a dry dock is hugely expensive and only makes sense for the biggest vessels. For smaller ships, a slipway ramp is far more cost-effective. Sideways launches are clever solutions for shipyards with limited space, especially along narrow rivers. The ship's design matters too. Long, slender ships handle launches differently than wide, flat ones. Engineers run countless simulations to pick the safest method, balancing risk, cost, and geography. The wrong choice can mean disaster, so every launch is a high-stakes decision. It's all about finding the perfect balance for each unique ship. What could go wrong? Plenty. The biggest fear? The ship gets stuck halfway down the ramp, leaving a